Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about some important question for NEET, BSc Nursing, Paramedical, CUET and other entrance exam from the chapter Atoms. So let's start the question. Question number first. For which one of the following Bohr model is not valid? Option A. Singly ionized helium atom. Option B. Deuteron atom. Option C. Singly ionized neon atom. Option D. Hydrogen atom. The correct answer is option C. Singly ionized neon atom. Question number second. When an alpha particle happens to come near a nucleus, the intense electric field of this scatters it through large angle. Then what is the effect of atomic electrons on alpha particle? Option A. Repel alpha particles slightly. Option B. Deviate alpha particles from their path. Option C. Due to the electron could it blocks the path of alpha particle. Option D. Do not appreciably affect. The correct answer is option D. Do not appreciably affect. Question number third. Rutherford's atomic model could account for option A. Stability of atom. Option B. Origin of spectra. Option C. The position, charge, central core of an atom. Option D. Concept of stationary orbit spectral lines. The correct answer is option C. The positive charge central core of an atom. Question number 4. The first spectral series was discovered by option A. Balmer. Option B. Lyman. Option C. Paschen. Option D. Pfund. The correct answer is option A. Balmer. Question number 5. In Balmer series of spectrum of hydrogen, first 4 lines with different wavelength hydrogen alpha, hydrogen beta, hydrogen gamma, hydrogen delta are option A. Hydrogen alpha. Option B. Hydrogen beta. Option C. Hydrogen gamma. Option D. Hydrogen delta. The correct answer is option D. Hydrogen delta. H delta. Question number 6. Which of the following spectral series falls within the visual range of electromagnetic radiation? Option A. Lyman series. Option B. Balmer series. Option C. Pfund series. Option D. Paschen series. The correct answer is option B. Balmer series. Question number 7. If the wavelength of first line of Balmer series of hydrogen is 6561 angstrom, then the wavelength of second line of the series should be option A. 13122 angstrom. Option B. 3280 angstrom. Option C. 2187 angstrom. Option D. 4860 angstrom. The correct answer is option D. 4860 angstrom. Question number 8. The de Broglie wavelength of an electron in first orbit is option A. Equal to the circumference of first orbit. Option B. 1/2 the circumference of first orbit. Option C. 1/4 the circumference of first orbit. 1/3/4 circumference of first orbit. The correct answer is option A. Equal to the circumference of first orbit. Question number 9. The angular momentum of the electron in third orbit of hydrogen atom, if the angular momentum in the second orbit of hydrogen atom is L, is L. Option A. L. Option B. 3L. Option C. 3/2L. Option D. 2/3L. The correct answer is option C. 3/2L. Question number 10. In Bohr orbit of hydrogen atom, m kg is the mass of electron and E coulomb is the charge on it. The ratio in SI unit magnetic dipole moment to that of angular momentum electron is option A. E/2m. Option B. 2E/m. Option C. E/m. Option D. 2E/3m. The correct answer is option A. E/2m. Question number 11. In the Bohr model of hydrogen atom, the ratio of kinetic energy and total energy of electron in the quantum state will be option A 1, option B -1, option C -12, option D 2. The correct answer is option B -1. Question number 12. If the radius of first Bohr orbit is x, the de Broglie wavelength of electron in third orbit is nearly option A 2 pi x, option B 6 pi x, option D x upon 3, option D 9x. The correct answer is option B 6 pi x. Question number 13. Bohr models of atom. Option A. Assume that the angular momentum of electron is quantized. Option B. Uses Einstein photoelectric equation. Option C. Predict continuous spectrum. Option D. Predicts the same emission spectra for all types of atoms. The correct answer is option A. Assume that the angular momentum of electron is quantized. Question number 14. In a Bohr model of hydrogen atom, the lowest orbit corresponds to option A infinite energy, option B minimum energy, option C maximum energy, option D zero energy. The correct answer is option C maximum energy. Question number 15. The ground state energy of the hydrogen atom is minus 13.6 E. Kinetic energy of electron in the state is option A 27.2 electron volt, option B 6.8 electron volt, option C 13.6 electron volt, option D 3.4 electron volt. The correct answer is option C 13.6 electron volt. Question number 16. The ionization energy of Li2 plus is equal to option A 9 HCr, option B 6 HCr, option C 2 HCr, option D HCr. The correct answer is option A 9 HCr. Question number 17. The ratio of the area within the electron orbit for excited state to the ground state for hydrogen atom is option A 16:1, option B 4:1, option C 18:1, option D 2:1. The correct answer is option A 16:1. Question number 18. Minimum energy required to take out the electron from ground states of helium is option A 13.6 electron volt, option B 27.2 electron volt, option D C 4.4 electron volt, option D 6.8 electron volt. The correct answer is option number B 27.2 electron volt. Question number 19. The Rutherford alpha particle experiment shows the most of the alpha particle pass through almost unscattered, while some other are scattered through large angles. What information does it give about the structure of atom? Option A. Atom is hollow. Option B. The whole mass of atom is concentrated in a small center called nucleus. Option C. Nucleus is positively charged. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 20. The trajectory of an alpha particle can be computed by employing option A Newton's second law of motion, option B Coulomb's law of electrostatic force of repulsion between the alpha particle and the positively charged nucleus, option C both of these, option D none of these. The correct answer is option C both of these. Question number 21. If the series limit of Lyman series for hydrogen atom is equal to the series limit of Balmer series for hydrogen like atom, then atomic number of this hydrogen atom like will be option A 1, option B 3, option C 2, option D 4. The correct answer is option C 2. Question number 22. A set of atoms in excited state decay, option A, in a general to any of state with lower energy, option B, into a lower state only when excited by an external field, option C, altogether simultaneously into a lower state, option D, to emit photons only when they collide. The correct answer is option A, in a general to any of the state with lower energy. Question number 23. The de Broglie wavelength of an electron in a first Bohr orbit, option A, equal to 1/4 the circumference of first orbit, option B, equal to the half circumference of the first orbit, option C, equal to the twice circumference of first orbit, option D, equal to the circumference of first orbit. The correct answer is option D, equal to the circumference of the first orbit. Thank you and please subscribe my channel for further videos.